For making watermelon wonder, first of all we need a watermelon. So now let's chop this into pieces. Now let's add these pieces into the grinder and grind them. Now let's strain the juice. So to this watermelon juice I am going to add half teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I am going to crush few of the mint leaves with my hands like this, and I am going to add them. This brings the flavor to the watermelon wonder. If you want, you can add sugar also. It's optional. I am not going to add any sugar. Now the watermelon wonder is ready. It can be served with ice cubes. First of all, I am going to add ice cubes. To this I am going to add few mint leaves, and now I am going to pour our watermelon wonder. It's an amazing soft drink. You can have it even at your parties. It's a summer coolant. It's a wonderful recipe. It's enjoyed by kids and elders both. You can see the lovely color. So our watermelon wonder is ready. Have a sip.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.